super excited about my new 200-hour yoga teacher training online. This will be a deep dive into yoga. You have 12 months to complete the curriculum. There's an opportunity to stream in live. There's an opportunity to have one-on-one discussions with me about your questions and any way that I can help you as you go through the curriculum. It will be a deep look at yoga teaching methodology, at adjustments, vinyasa counts, the safety aspects of helping other people with yoga postures. We'll be getting into some interesting techniques like reciprocal inhibition, resistance-based adjusting, where we actually have students push us instead of us pushing them. We'll look at isometric stretching. Safety is a huge aspect of our adjustment area. And yoga methodology in general will be explored in detail. That includes mudra and bandha and pranayama practice. We have a 30-hour segment of pranayama, which is the pranayama system taught by Sri B.N.S. Iyengar. Our history and philosophy section will be taught primarily by senior Sanskrit scholars from Mysore, India. You'll have full access to Mysore Yoga Traditions archive, and you'll be listening to a number of different Sanskrit scholars telling the story of how yoga evolved in Mysore, telling about what yoga means to them and how they view yoga in today's climate. Just what do the elders of Mysore think about yoga, the way it's being taught worldwide? You're going to get a big dose of that in this training. So anatomy, physiology, and healing arts is our other huge area to get into. Postural analysis, understanding the imbalances in first our own body and then those of other people. A lot of self-massage, somatic work, therapeutic movement, and healing techniques. There's a full course in Thai massage, so you will be learning the 4 traditional positions in Thai massage. We want everyone to come out of the training with a lot of tools in their bag and a deep dive into yoga itself, a deeper understanding of what yoga means, where it came from, how to teach it, and how to authentically express it in one's own life. We're very excited about the program. If you have any questions, please have a look at ashtanga yogastudio.com.